Hello guys, and welcome again. And in this video we are going to learn about I'm going to give you some examples on indices as you already taught you. And let's start the class. Okay, what's the value when minus 1 by 2 to the whole power 8 by minus 1 by 2 to the whole power 5, this is bracket and not modulus, minus 1 by 2 to the whole power 5 by minus 1 by 2 to the whole power 3. And this is a complicated question, but it's easy enough for you to solve it. Okay, now let's start solving it. We already know that a by b to the whole power m will be equal to a by b, a to the power of m by b to the power of m. So this is similar to that, which will be equal to minus 1 to the power of 8 by 2 to the power of 8 by minus 1 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 by 2 to the power of 5 and to the power of 5 by minus 1 by 2, 3 and 3. Okay, wait, let me put the brackets. This would be okay. This is what I told you. I just forgot to show you that. And there's another law which tells let's take it as law 8. Okay, any number when powered any negative number when powered by a even number will be always equal to an positive number. And any integer when powered by an odd number will be always equal to an negative number. The answer is a negative number, and I didn't tell the answer. It's the value or the negative or positive. I'm telling what it will become, positive or negative, but it's always applicable for 1 or minus 1, and we are going to apply here. So minus 1 to the power of 8 will be minus 1 plus 1, as this suggests that minus x to the power of even will be always a positive number. So 8 is even, so it will be plus 1 by 2 to the power of 8. Let's simplify it later. And so minus 1 to the power of 5, it's the power is an odd, so it will be minus 1 and to the power 2 minus 1 to the power of 5 will be again minus 1 by 2 to the power of 5 will be again 2 to the power of 5 by minus 1 to the power of 3, as its odd will be minus 1 by 2 to the power of 3 will be 2 to the power of 3. Now at this stage, let me change the color. First let us take this, and the second will be this, and the first will be this. Okay, one sec. I'm getting disturbed. My tool. Okay, I'm now ready. So first let us do this. So this sign means that it will divide it. So 1 by 2 to the power of 8 divided by, this is nothing but division, you already know it, right? Divided by minus 1 to the power of 2 to the power of 5. Minus 1 by 2 to the power of 5. So as for this is division, it will be equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 8 into 2 to the power of 5 by minus 1. So that's a law which tells that a to the power of m minus a to the power of n, this is n, will be equal to a to the power of m minus n. Just see it here. You know that already, right? This is the formula. So where we can cancel it out. 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 8. So 2 to the power of, we have got it right. 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5 minus 8, which will be 2 to the power of minus 3. This is the value of that. So these two get cancelled. 2 to the power of minus 3. You should always put the value on the numerator side, okay? So we have got the value which will be equal to 2 to the power of, one sec, which will be equal to 2 to the power of minus 3 by minus 1. If you just simplify it, you will again get it as minus 2 to the power of minus 3. Okay, that's it. We are now ended with the first formula and the second. Let's do it. Again, minus 1 by 2 to the power of 5 divided by minus 1 by 2 to the power of 3, and again minus 1 by 2 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of 3 minus 1. I'm just repeating all the steps which we followed again here in this stage. So again 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 5, as these are this numerator and denominator, so we can cancel it out. So 2 to the power of 3 minus 5 will be 2 to the power of minus 2, as the same formula here. So 2 and this minus 1 get cancelled. So 2 to the power of minus 2 by, that's it, we have cancelled it out, and the answer for this equation is 2 to the power of minus 2. And now we are ended with minus 2 to the power of minus 3 minus 2 to the power of minus 2. Oh, it is a long journey, right? But we are not ended up with this. There's another formula which tells, that's another law. And let's take up this to the next page. The page is exhaustive. And the law 9, law 9 tells us that, wait a minute, a to the power of minus 1 will be equal to 1 by a, and 1 by a to the power of minus 1 will be equal to a. That is, for example, 2 to the power of minus 1 will be equal to 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 to the power of minus 1 will be equal to 2. And we are going to apply this law here, which will be that one will be minus 2 to the power of minus 3. I think, what's the, wait, let me check it. What was here? And I have done a mistake here, right? this is not minus, it's plus, as minus to the power of, oh no, it's exactly correct. Let's just change it to simplified. So minus 2 to the power of 3, minus 3, which will be equal to, sorry, this is 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 2 to the power of minus 3. This is the formula. I mean, this is the next step. We have to simplify it as an exact step. So this will be plus. We are ended. Now 2 to the power of minus 2 will be nothing but 1 by 2 to the power of 2, which will be equal to, as for here I have only given you for minus 1, but it's applicable for till infinite. So 1 by 2 to the power of 2 will be nothing but 1 by 4, and plus 2 to the power of minus 3 will be 2 to the power of minus 3 will be nothing but 2 to the 1 by 2 to the power of 3, which will be nothing but 1 by 2 to the power of 3 will be 2 into 2 into 2, which will be 8. So we are ended up with 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, which will be equal to, LCM will be 8, and 2 1 3 by 8. We are ended up here. We have got the answer. Hooray, we have got the answer, man.